Hey everyone, this is Gayatri from Youthbuddy. Dear two-wheeler riders, tuning in. The secret to better mileage isn't speed. It's smooth riding. Here's the Eco Driving Guide for Bike Riders from Youthbuddy. Eco riding means using your bike efficiently without compromising safety, traffic flow, or control on the road. Gentle acceleration, steady speed, suitable gears, and progressive braking reduce fuel use while making every ride calmer and more predictable. Maintenance matters equally because incorrect tire pressure, restricted airflow, chain friction, or dragging brakes can quietly reduce mileage. Follow your owner's manual for tire pressure, engine oil, service intervals, and fuel recommendations specific to your bike. Keep the air filter clean, the drive chain lubricated, and ensure the brakes release properly without creating resistance. Tracking your mileage helps you notice efficiency changes early, making it easier to identify developing mechanical problems before they become costly. While riding, look ahead at signals, junctions, pedestrians, and changing traffic so you can adjust speed smoothly instead of reacting suddenly. Use the throttle progressively because aggressive acceleration wastes fuel and places unnecessary stress on the engine, clutch, chain, and tires. Maintain a safe following distance because extra space gives you time to respond gradually when traffic speed changes. Choose a gear where the engine runs smoothly without struggling, knocking, vibrating, or revving more than necessary. Maintain a steady speed whenever conditions allow, while respecting speed limits and adapting early when the road becomes difficult. When slowing down, release the throttle early and apply both brakes progressively instead of carrying unnecessary speed towards a stop. Controlled engine braking can help, but sudden downshifts, excessive revolutions, or coasting in neutral should always be avoided. Idling consumes fuel without covering distance, so switch off during lengthy stops when it is safe and practical. Many modern bikes need only a brief start before gentle riding, rather than an extended stationary warm-up. Planning your route can reduce wasted distance, congestion, and repeated cold starts, especially when nearby tasks are combined into one journey. These habits matter everywhere, but city roads and highways create different challenges. In city traffic, ease off when a red signal is visible instead of accelerating towards it and braking at the last moment. Avoid aggressive filtering because frequent acceleration, hard braking, and unnecessary lane changes waste fuel while increasing collision risk. On highways, maintain a smooth cruising speed, plan overtaking early, and accelerate only as much as required to pass safely. Never draft behind trucks because limited visibility and reduced reaction space make the practice extremely dangerous. Unnecessary luggage and oversized accessories increase weight and wind resistance, so carry only what the journey genuinely requires. Secure every item, distribute the load evenly, stay within the manufacturer's limit, and adjust tire pressure when recommended. Rain, strong winds, rough roads, and heavy traffic require smoother control, lower speed, and more space for safe reactions. Use a suitable lower gear before climbing becomes difficult, and use controlled engine braking downhill without switching off or selecting neutral. Most fuel waste comes from rushed riding decisions or small maintenance problems that remain unnoticed for too long. There is no perfect mileage speed for every bike, so focus on smooth control, suitable gears, proper maintenance, and safe decisions. Eco riding is simply about getting more from every liter while keeping every journey safer and smoother. For more details, click the link in the description or explore it directly on the Youthbuddy website. Like, share, subscribe, and follow our social media accounts for more updates. Yours Gayatri from Youthbuddy, signing off.